Hi there, students. Good afternoon. This video is a tutorial to teach you how to speak incredibly poshly, outrageously poshly. And as you notice, I have Henry with me to help. Henry, could you say good afternoon again? Good afternoon. So, notice, I say good. He doesn't say good, he says good. He's elongating this ooh sound in good. Good. Yeah? And I say good afternoon. I've joined the D to the A in afternoon. But he separates them. And he puts a bit of extra stress on the D at the end of good. Good afternoon. Okay, so notice with afternoon, the A in afternoon is very elongated. Afternoon. And also the oo in noon is very, very long as well. When very posh people talk, they tend to make the vowel sounds at the ends of words or at the ends of phrases much longer. So, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Also notice he pronounces every part of it, and it's almost like there's a space between after noon. Good afternoon. Okay, so elongation of the vowels, good as opposed to good. Notice the D as well, good, good as opposed to just good. Good afternoon. After, long A, ah. It's like it's got almost an R in it. Good afternoon. And he pronounces very carefully each part of it. Okay, Henry, what's your Christian name? My name is Henry. So, notice, he doesn't say Henry, he says Henry, re at the end. And this is very typical of a very posh accent. Words that end in E go to E. So, not Henry, but Henry. Sorry goes to sorry. I'm terribly sorry. Okay, so it's like it's an EH sound. And this is also very typical of a very posh accent. Words that end in E go to E. I'm terribly sorry. I'm late. Okay, so sorry. Sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. Notice again, he's enunciating very clearly each sound, because when people speak incredibly poshly, they should be really quite easy to understand. Okay, so let's ask Henry another question. What things make you angry, Henry? Things that make me angry are people being late. So, angry. Not even angry. Angry. So very often as well, this a sound or an sound goes to n. Henry, could you say thank you? Thank you. Okay, thang, eng. He's saying n instead of thank. Thank you. Thank you. And notice as well, the oo sound at the end of the thank you is very much elongated again. Okay, the vowel is stretched. So the things that make him angry are people, 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 people. This dark L at the end of people, he pronounces it quite strongly. People is what I would say, but he says people. Oh, he's extending this L, and also the E sound in people. People, people, being late, 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 not late, late. Okay? So, these are the things to think about, or just a few things to think about. Oo sounds become much longer. Too few. Too few. Much, much, much more elongated. Words that end in Y sound, or I, as in sorry, happy, slowly. Sorry, happy, slowly. Yeah, it's like it ends in an EH sound. And words with AN, can, thank, angry. Ken, thank, angry. Okay, so the A sounds morphed into an E sound. Okay, and then also remember this idea of elongating, stretching the vowels, particularly at the end of the sentence. Okay? So, thank you, Henry. Thank you for having me. It's been a delight to appear with you. Henry, would you like to do the request for the rating? If by any slight chance you might just have enjoyed the video ever so slightly, I get down on my humble knees and beg you from the bottom of my heart to be quite so kind as to consider the possibility of maybe just giving me a rating. Please also, I beg you to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Soon. Bye for now. Bye for now. So, a tutorial on how to teach, or how you should speak if you want to speak outrageously poshly. You might ask, are there people who really speak like this? And yes, there are. They are normally very rich and come from important families. But I don't think I would recommend you speaking like this. But for a bit of fun, why don't you try it? Bye for now.